make God their part in your marriage. Because only in so doing that your marriage will stand on solid ground. To all of you here present, you are here not only as witnesses, much less as spectators. You are here to assure that when the demands of conjugal life weigh heavily upon Edward and April Joy, you will be there with your support, your encouragement, and your friendship. So before we go further, is there anyone here present who knows of any legal impediment or any reason why this man and woman should not be lawfully joined in marriage? Wala namang kumukontra, ano? Ha? If you join, did you come here of your own free will to be bound in marriage to Edward? Edward, did you come here of your own free will to be bound in marriage to April Joy? Edward and April Joy, do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage, straight of your own free will and voluntarily? April Joy, do you take Edward here present to be your lawful husband? And do you give yourself to him as his wife? Edward, do you take April Joy here present to be your lawful wife? And do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you promise to be faithful and true to each other as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Do you have the rings? Edward, ha? Repeat after me. April Joy,
April Joy,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a token of my love and devotion to you,
as a token of my love and devotion to you,
now and forever.
now and forever.
I say, April Joy, I accept it with all my heart
Accept it with all my heart
and loyalty to you.
and loyalty to you.
Edward,
Edward,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a token of my love and
as a
devotion to
token
you,
of my love and devotion to you,
now and forever.
now and forever.
I accept it with all my heart
I accept it with all my heart
and loyalty to you.
and loyalty to you.
Well, this Ari, ha? Hindi sa kanya. Ito mo na yan, that symbolize the welfare, ha? April Joy,
April Joy,
as a symbol of this Ari,
as a symbol of this
I
love,
will take care of your welfare
I will take care of your welfare
forever,
forever,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both live.
You have your own vows? Wala? Okay. Pagiramin ko kayo. Sa inyo to. Sa inyo.
April Joy, take you to be my lawfully wedded wife, my constant friend, my faithful partner in my love. From this day forward, I offer you my solemn vow to be your faithful partner in sickness and health, in good times and bad times, in joy as well as I promise to love you unconditionally, to support you in your goals, to honor and respect you, to laugh with you and to cry with you, and to cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
I, April, take you, Edward, to be my husband, my